Are your leads scattered across Facebook, Instagram, Google, and your website? Are you constantly juggling different inboxes, worried you're missing messages, replying too slowly, and ultimately losing sales? Well, today, we're going to connect the dots. I'll show you how integrating your social, search, and chat channels can completely transform your lead capture process and seriously fire up your sales engine. Think about it. Modern customers are everywhere. They'll slide into your DMs on Instagram, message you on Facebook Messenger, find you on Google, chat with you on WhatsApp, or fill out a form on your website. If you're manually checking each of these channels one by one, it's a recipe for disaster. Inquiries get missed, follow-ups are forgotten, and before you know it, you've lost a potential sale to a competitor who was just a little bit faster. This isn't just inefficient, it leads to lost opportunities and frustrated prospects who feel ignored. But what if there was a better way? The solution is simpler than you think: a unified inbox and a smart CRM. Imagine bringing every single message, every chat, and every form submission into one single manageable view. With powerful tools like ManyChat, you can seamlessly connect Messenger, Instagram, and WhatsApp. This means every conversation automatically updates your customer profiles in your CRM, giving you the full context of their journey. Your team can see the entire history at a glance, allowing them to reply faster and more effectively, guiding each lead smoothly to the next step. So, how do you actually set this up? Here's a simple 7-step playbook to get you started. First, map all your entry points. Make a list of every single place a conversation can start. Is it from your social media posts, your paid ads, Instagram stories, your WhatsApp link, a Google search, or an email campaign? Know your channels. Second, route everything to one central inbox. This is the magic step. Connect all those channels directly to a platform like ManyChat. This consolidates everything into a single, streamlined command center. Third, set up automated flows to tag each contact. When a new message comes in, your system should automatically tag it by its source, like Instagram DM or Google Chat, and its intent, such as price inquiry or booking request. Fourth, standardize your lead fields. To keep things organized, decide on the essential information you need for every lead. This usually includes their name, contact info, the source of the lead, the specific campaign they came from, their interest, and their current status in your sales pipeline. Keep it simple so your team can use it easily. Fifth, track your source and campaign performance. Use unique tracking links for your posts and ads. This will tell you exactly which pieces of content are bringing in the highest quality leads, so you can double down on what's working. Sixth, establish rules for a human handoff. Let automation handle the simple, repetitive questions 24/7. But for high-value leads or more complex inquiries, create a seamless handoff to a real person on your team. This blend of automation and human touch is key. And finally, number 7, follow up with care. If a chat goes quiet, don't let that lead go cold. Send a friendly, automated reminder. Offer one clear next action, like a button that says "Book now" or "See your options." This gentle nudge can make all the difference. To make this crystal clear, let's look at a couple of real-world examples. Imagine you run a service studio. A potential client taps the chat button in your Instagram story. Instantly, ManyChat greets them, shows them your available appointment slots, and lets them book right there in the chat. All that information, the booking, their contact details, is saved directly to your CRM, and automated reminders are scheduled to go out. Zero manual work for you. Or let's say you have an online store. A shopper finds you on Google and starts a chat to ask about sizing. Your automated system confirms their size, shows them a few best-selling items in that size, and guides them all the way to checkout, right within the chat window. The entire conversation and the order details are synced to your CRM, ready for your next marketing campaign. Feeling inspired but a little overwhelmed? Don't be. You can start seeing results this week with a few quick wins. First, set up a simple welcome flow. This should include a warm hello, one qualifying question to understand their needs, and clear action buttons to guide them. Next, create an answer bank with 10 short, pre-written replies for your most common questions about price, availability, and delivery. Then, focus on CRM mapping. Make sure every chat automatically creates a contact with their source and status tagged. And finally, start using clean tracking links on every post and ad so you can see exactly what's driving conversations. To know if all this is working, you need to measure the right things. Each week, track the number of conversations started, your team's average time to first reply, the number of qualified leads you've generated, how many bookings or sales you've closed, and the completion rates of your automated flows. These numbers will tell you a powerful story about what's working and where you can improve. When you connect the dots, when your social, search, and chat all flow into one unified inbox and CRM, you do more than just get organized. You empower your team to reply faster, engage more meaningfully, and close more sales. It's about guiding every conversation to a clear, valuable next step. Start with a tool like ManyChat, connect your CRM, and watch your marketing start to work harder for you. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on growing your business.